Hello there. Join us at Widget Wiz as we explore 8 coolest gadgets available on Amazon. The Holy Stone GPS Drone, the perfect choice for adults and beginners alike. This lightweight drone, weighing less than 249 g, features a 4K UHD camera for stunning aerial photography and videography. Its foldable design makes it easy to carry and store. With a control range of up to 10,000 feet and a brushless motor for enhanced performance, this quadcopter offers reliable and powerful flight. Key functions include Follow Me, Smart Return Home, and 5G transmission for real-time FPV. Experience the thrill of flight and capture breathtaking moments with the Holy Stone GPS drone. The JBL Clip 4, the portable mini Bluetooth speaker that packs big audio and punchy bass into a compact design. With its integrated carabiner, you can easily clip it onto a belt, strap, or buckle and take it anywhere. The JBL Clip 4 is both waterproof and dustproof, making it perfect for home, outdoor, and travel use. Enjoy up to 10 hours of playtime on a single charge, ensuring your music goes wherever you do. Explore the world with the powerful and durable JBL Clip 4 by your side. The ENOMIR Smartwatch, the ultimate fitness and lifestyle companion for men and women. This versatile smartwatch allows you to answer and make calls, and receive message notifications directly from your wrist. With Alexa built in, you can control smart devices with just your voice. The ENOMIR Smartwatch features a heart rate monitor, blood oxygen monitor, sleep monitor, and supports over 100 sports modes, making it an excellent fitness tracker. Additionally, it offers convenient life assistant features like weather forecasts, an alarm clock, a stopwatch, and much more. Waterproof and compatible with both iOS and Android phones, the ENOMIR Smartwatch is designed to keep you connected, healthy, and organized. The Tryone Gooseneck Tablet Holder Stand, a versatile and durable solution for hands-free tablet use. Featuring an adjustable and flexible arm, this tablet holder can be clamped onto tables, desks, bed, or any sturdy surface. It's compatible with a wide range of devices, including iPad Air, Mini, Galaxy Tabs, Kindle Fire, Switch, and other devices with screens ranging from 4.7 to 10.5 inches diagonally. The Tryone Gooseneck tablet holder provides a sturdy and stable setup, making it perfect for reading, watching videos, or video calling. Enhance your comfort and productivity with this reliable and easy-to-use tablet holder. Eilik, the cute and interactive robot pet that's perfect for kids and adults alike. Designed to be your ideal companion at home or in the workspace, Eilik brings a world of emotions to your desktop with just a touch. Interact with Eilik by touching its head, belly, and back, each triggering different delightful emotions. Discover a variety of expressions, lift it, or gently tap its head to see its reactions. Whether gentle or temperamental, Eilik's mood depends entirely on your interaction. Best of all, Eilik requires no Wi-Fi or Bluetooth connections. Simply power it on and enjoy its company anytime you want. More Eilik, more fun. Eilik is more than just a single robot. When he meets another Eilik, they connect and interact with each other, adding even more excitement and fun to your experience. Bring home Eilik for endless companionship and joy. The TOLOCO Massage Gun, the ultimate deep tissue massager for athletes and anyone seeking pain relief. Designed to target sore muscles and alleviate tension, this percussion massager features 10 interchangeable massage heads to cater to different body parts and needs. Equipped with a silent brushless motor, the TOLOCO Massage Gun ensures a quiet and relaxing experience. It boasts a long battery life and comes with a USB charger for convenient recharging. The adjustable speed levels allow you to customize the intensity of your massage, while the smart LED touchscreen provides easy control and monitoring. Experience effective and versatile pain relief with the TOLOCO Massage Gun. The OLIGHT Gober Kit Safety Light, your reliable companion for high-visibility safety during nighttime activities. This LED beacon light features 4 lighting modes, ensuring you're easily seen while running, cycling, camping, or walking your dog at night. The USB rechargeable design offers convenience and sustainability, keeping the light ready for use whenever you need it. The compact and lightweight safety light comes with a clip, making it easy to attach to clothing, bags, or gear. Enhance your safety with the OLIGHT Gober Kit, providing bright and effective visibility for all your nighttime adventures. The ODISTAR Desktop Vacuum Cleaner, your go-to solution for a spotless workspace. This mini table dust sweeper is energy-saving and battery-powered, providing high endurance for extended use. Its cordless and 360 degrees rotatable design ensures easy cleaning of keyboards, home surfaces, school desks, and office areas. Compact and efficient, the ODISTAR Desktop Vacuum Cleaner effortlessly removes dust and crumbs, keeping your environment tidy and organized. Enjoy the convenience of a clean space with this versatile and powerful cleaning tool.